Hey guys, good morning. It's Groundhog Day, February 2nd. We are up at the Slot Canyon in Radium Springs. It's 20 minutes north of Las Cruces, or exactly 1 hour north of where we live in northeast El Paso. So if you're looking on all trails, it's just called Slot Canyon. And if you're in the Oregon Mountain Desert Peaks National Monument guidebook, it also just calls it the Slot Canyon. So it's right off of Radium Springs. You get off and drive past Fort Selden and the Rio, and whenever you get out here, it's just a nice easy hike, pretty flat, but it's a pretty awesome Slot Canyon. If you want to ease into it, it's dry, there's no water, it's pretty cool. So we'll show you some video. You do have to cross the gate when you get over here, but it's perfectly fine. I think it's more for wildlife than anything. And here's the top of the Slot Canyon. So that's really it, guys. You can see the mouth of the Slot Canyon right back there, right where the shadows start. But it's this cool as you come out. It's just a little bit of a arroyo, almost a dry riverbed with some rocks, and you head right back out to the Rio. So it's a nice easy walk.
And if you walk the way that we walked last time, pretty much any ability can do it.
All right, guys, that's it for today out of the Slot Canyons. We just want to remind you to like, subscribe, smash the like button, leave a comment if you guys went on some pretty cool adventures this weekend, or if there's anywhere around the Las Cruces, El Paso area that we're missing. And just to remind you that, it's state-owned land, so we do have permission to climb over the gate. It's no issue. We're not trespassing or anything. You can find it in all the guidebooks. It says ignore the gate. All right, you guys have a great weekend. We'll talk to you later.